How to fix missing apps on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. Here, scroll down and click on Apps and Notifications. In Apps and Notifications, click on App Info. Now, here, search for the apps that are missing. You can also use the filter at the top. Click on it. You can click on Installed Apps, Disabled Apps. You can click on Disabled Apps and see if they are disabled as well. If not, you can go to Installed Apps and search for it here. And if you don't find it here, what you can also do is open Play Store and search for the specific app you're searching for and see if it's installed. If it's not installed, you can install it from here and open the app. And this is how to fix missing apps on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.